episode 1 was you,
Yeah.
and Aman was like, great year Shreeja's having.
Yeah.
And then Tarang, great year Tarang is having. I was like, man, am I going to be the first guy who's not having a great year?
But you're having a
But
great
that's
year,
it.
yeah.
I had a great January. And then it's also, sorry, I have to point out one more thing. In Tarang's episode, you said ki you like to put a lot of thought and give people books and stuff. I have never
You
gotten
know,
a book.
I tell you why.
Why?
Because you remember what you gave me on my birthday?
That was a great gift.
He
That was
gave he gave me Hannah Montana ka book. Just because I'm this guy who keeps giving people books, he thought that would be funny if he gives me Hannah Montana. I threw it that day only.
You threw my gift. It was
threw
so
it-
funny.
I threw it in the trash.
You laugh. I checked with my Gia also. She also said it's funny, dude.
Yeah.
She had not met you by
Yeah.
then, I feel.
Well,
But
It was also funnier because that was the only gift he gave.
yeah.
I just said I'm not having a good year. Ek to I get a gift only. Is that
That's true.
enough?
That's true. Yeah. It's the thought that matters.
I've recently gotten really into watches.
Ah.
Like I'm like कि अभी मैंने नहीं पहनी, but I'm like if I wear a watch every day for a year, I'll buy myself a very nice watch.
Huh.
So on my birthday, my Gia was like, you know what, I'll get you a watch. So we again went into this thing. So I wanted to get a Casio. So we go in and I was like, do you guys keep Casio? And they were like, say, no. What kind of question? No, we don't. Like, sorry. But
Yeah, like who let you in?
yeah, just the expression with which she said, no,
Yeah.
no. Then I really like this one G-Shock also, but I don't think I have the personality to pull it off. But I was like,
Yeah.
still, I'll go check it out.
It's very chunky.
Yeah, same problem. So
Like that would be funny. Like if you say G-Shock, I'm like, sir, है, but आपके लिए नहीं. आपको चाहिए कि किसी और के लिए गिफ्ट ले रहे हो.
उसके अंदर, like I said, do you have this one particular model G something whatever? So he said नहीं, but उसके ऊपर वाला मैं भी ढूंढ रहा हूँ. तो अगर आपको मिले तो मुझे बता देना. I was like, dude, the watch I'm looking at, which I was like, fuck, शायद mutual fund तोड़ना पड़े, was like 12,000. How much is the sales guy making? That he's like, I want actually the one more expensive than the
Right.
one you will break your mutual fund and
Yeah.
FD for.
Or I think he was like trying to mess with you. He like, this is what you want?
No, he
Yeah.
was wearing an
Try
expensive watch.
finding it. Huh?
Maybe.
You try finding it.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Yeah.
But then he said कि सर वो ना एक्चुअली वाली वॉच बहुत इन डिमांड है तो बहुत लोग स्टोर्स फेक भी बेचते हैं. Then his manager looked at him. हमारे पास रियल ही होती हैं बट I was like, oh, he was trying to warn me that हम भी फेक बेचते थे.
Yeah. So did you end up buying a watch?
Yes, I bought a Timex sorted low to high. Got one
Yeah.
for 1,000 rupees. And I'm like, if I
How
wear
long
this,
did you wear it?
I did not wear it. And then I realized, oh, I have better watches which I've gotten as gifts. So I'm wearing those now.
हाँ, nice. Yeah, watches. I think certain age के बाद लगता है मुझे एक watch में. It's the only accessory I want
Yeah.
on my body.
Yeah. I don't like fancy anything like they put the date or the which phase
Moon
the
phase.
moon is in.
I love it, dude.
What is wrong
What
with
I
love
hate all these
I love
extra dials.
Complications, they're called. They're called complications.
Yeah, what is
That's what they're called. It has this complication.
That's perfectly named, but why would you add that as a feature? What's our feature in this watch? Complication.
complication.
You know how time is.
मेरे पास 3 points थे जो मैं बहुत देर से दबा कर बैठी हुई हूँ.
Okay.
Firstly, watches I've always thought I'll wear and go to the stage so that I'll just check my watch to check the time and see how much time is remaining. But we're so used to digital
Yeah.
कि एनालॉग में नहीं समझ में आता है
Yeah.
कि कितना टाइम बचा
Yeah.
है या कितना हो चुका है. And I've never seen my watch in the middle of my set, even though I wear it all the time.
But it's
Yeah.
also because it's like you're doing 8 minutes and you're like, give me light at 6.5.
Yeah.
So now you're doing, wait, 1.5 is not 1 minute 50 seconds, it's actually 1 minute 30 seconds.
Right.
So then you do
Yes.
the maths.
8:13 पे चढ़ी थी स्टेज पर.
Yeah.
अभी 8:20 हो रहा है. तो कितने मिनट
Yeah.
हुए हैं?
Exactly. And in most comedy clubs now, they have a timer in front. So you can literally see it's in front
Yeah.
of you. So this is just for your swag that you're doing.
Yeah, it's like,
So it's for an
okay
auditorium.
guys, I have to go.
Yeah, maybe in an auditorium it makes sense.
मुझे घड़ी में बैटरी डलवानी है actually. I just remembered. What was the
Oh, yes.
Well, the
Second- yeah.
second point I wanted to make is that this year has been तेरा एक sketch series है जो बहुत viral हो गया है.
Yes,
Yeah.
बहुत viral is one video which did really well.
No, 2,
Yeah.
3 videos
One
did very
really
well. And then you did a brand deal with the
That is
sketch
true.
series.
That was big. That happened last week only.
Is
Yeah.
that your first like brand deal?
Yes, first one I said yes to. Yes.
Amazing.
Woo!
Congrats, bro.
Thank you.
That's
Crazy.
crazy.
I was very anti doing brand deals till I reached like a certain follower level. But
Yeah.
I actually like Super You. Like I like the protein bar. I was like,
Yeah.
yeah, I'll do
Yeah,
it, dude.
man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Was it before or after they made the offer?
No, before only. Like I've
Yeah.
had their thing.
Tasty तो है.
Yeah, because it वो थोड़ा सा किटकैट टाइप होता है मेरे को
हाँ.
वेफर वाली चीजें बड़ी
वही,
पसंद
वही,
है
वही, वही.
Yeah.
I wanted more followers because I feel you have more bargaining powers then. Like it feels
Okay.
like if you're under like 20,000, 25,000 brands लोग like हम तुम पे एहसान कर रहे हैं by
Right.
giving you this project. ऐसा मुझे feel होता है.
Right.
I could be wrong.
No, you're right.
But that's what, was this like the only reason you were against brand deal? It was not like some like कि ये this is not fun to do.
No, because I know the kind of effort it takes to write these things
हाँ.
and the meetings back and forth. And I'm like,
हाँ.
कि, like if you have 15,000 followers, they'll give you 10,000 rupees.
Right.
And I'm like, it's not worth the effort to do it
Right. And you already have the experience of doing that for other
for other people. Yeah.
comedians.
So, huh.
So yeah, and like that process, you notice that when it's like you work with on many writing gigs,
yeah,
and sometimes you work with someone who's not famous, who is your head writer, and then sometimes you work with someone who is a really
Right.
famous
Yeah.
comedian, and you just see the how that conference room have you done that?
Yeah,
You
yeah,
get what I'm
yeah.
saying? Like when I work with Biswa on a project, it was just that when he says it, it's locked, you know.
yeah,
And that power I had never seen before. I was just like, okay, the head writer has said something. Let's see
Yeah.
what the client with no comedy experience has to add to that.
Yeah.
yeah.
But when they get a Biswa, they're like, bhai, this guy knows, okay?
Yeah.
We should be lucky he's doing this. Yeah.
And also another reason why I did this is because Namrata, the comic,
Yeah.
who was also on the other side, like she
Yeah.
also, so I was like, okay,
Right.
this will be easier
Yeah.
because I know this person. तो मेरे
Yeah.
पैसे लेके भाग नहीं जाएंगे वो, since I know her,
Yeah.
kind of a thing. But also what you said, I wrote another project with Biswa only, and we went to pitch it to Hotstar.
Yeah.
And then, so it was just me and him, other like Gaurav Kapoor and Saurabh Ghosh were not here. So I just went to the meeting. And वो pitch कर रहा है, but he forgot one point, Biswa. And they were like, good, they're giving feedback. So I just added that point, and everybody from Hotstar just looked at me, oh, there's another person sitting.
Yeah.
We thought he was, we thought he was his assistant, कि ये पानी वानी लाकर देगा उनको.
Exactly.
This happened. So this happened in, we both were there in this meeting.
Yeah.
Okay, the client gave one change. Okay, and he was giving a change on a joke I had written.
Right.
Okay.
Classic.
So I start to defend that, and like Biswa is sitting here, and he's just like,
Yeah.
and I like moved my swivel chair behind away from the table. Like, why am I contributing?
Yeah. My thing, हाँ, Taru.
नहीं मतलब like in the same meeting, like I'm on a different part and I'm like ये लोग मुझे तो पहचान ही रहे होंगे यार, तो let me back someone's joke. That will, or like whatever. I think I was backing like one of my own jokes, and I also got like 3 लोगों से
Yeah.
like,
Just a glare of.
I was
Yeah.
like, what the fuck मुझे इधर बुलाया है क्यों है अगर like मेरी opinions नहीं सुननी है. But that's the easiest way to get a project completed.
You guys at least realized in the moment that
Yeah.
you guys hold no value. I thought they were looking at me like, मैं कुछ बोल रहा हूँ यहाँ पे."
Keen, with keen interest.
Yeah. And then after the meeting, I went to Biswa, I was like, कि, like I'm giving feedback to Hotstar people कि ये लोग इतने अच्छे नहीं थे, इनके साथ हमें काम नहीं करना चाहिए. And Biswa is looking at me like, इसको समझ नहीं आया है.
Yeah.
Biswa's dealt with so many brands.
Yeah.
He knows where they're not going to budge and where it's like a lost cause. It's wasting your breath to fight for this small thing. You have a bigger fight coming up for something else.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Also, I think like when another person is doing something cringe, you can notice it faster as a third person. Like if you do something cringe, you don't realize it. You're so into it. But oh fuck, it's my phone, dude. It might be my mother. It's my
Oh,
time
no.
to call my mother.
That is.
Wow, you've not saved your mother's number?
Oh, she's called from Ahmedabad, Gujarat, dude. Oh.
Like this happened recently with a brand deal. Like one feedback, literally, this is the verbatim I'm saying. It was if it could only have one joke that really lands, that would be nice.
Wow.
That's what the client said.
Wow.
And the comedian I was working with, they also made fun of the brand. Ye kya vague hai? Bhai, tell no which one. Tell what is not working. We'll fix it. So and then I also started. कि हाँ यार ये लोग कैसे बोल रहे हैं ये सब. And then the comedian is like, चल अभी वो लिख ले.
ब्रांड फीडबैक के बाद कभी स्क्रिप्ट फनियर नहीं, बहुत रेयर होता है कि उसके बाद स्क्रिप्ट फनियर हो रही है.
Yeah, I can't think of.
Yeah, like maybe after the initial few rounds of feedback वो हो सकता है कि कुछ funny add हो रहा है इसमें.
Yeah.
Like you gave it more thought, so you came up with like a better idea. But otherwise, brand feedback always kills the vibe, bro.
Yeah.
I think after the second draft, nothing is good. Third
Right.
draft sucks, fourth draft sucks. Nothing good will come. First
Yeah.
is okay, second is where you peak,
Yeah.
and then uske baad it's all crap then.
Yeah. Do you all know what your nervous tick is?
I laugh a lot on stage when I'm not having a good time.
What?
Yeah, when I'm like, man, this is so bad that it's
Oh,
not
shit,
fun.
yeah,
If I'm very happy on stage, you know I'm not enjoying this at all.
Oh yeah. I've spotted. It's like a line which usually works and it doesn't. That's when at the end of it you go like. I tell you what.
Yeah.
Like, it's like a
Yeah.
like a letting out a breath of air.
It's also like a full stop because the audience has not given their laugh wala full stop to this
Yeah.
thought. So
Yeah.
you are giving one. Okay, next thought, guys.
No, it's more like I can't believe this is the life I've chosen for myself.
It's like such a surrender laugh that he gives.
Yeah, I'm like, that's how I feel, dude. Like utensils falling down.
Right. What have we ended up? This was our passion.
Yeah.
This
Yeah.
is what I've committed.
God.
I think the worst part about stand up is actually doing it. That's
Yeah.
the part I hate the most.
Yeah.
What are you saying, man?
I love writing it. I love having done it.
Yeah.
I hate doing it.
Doing it.
Yeah.
Doing
Yeah.
it is the worst part.
It is very rough. Like yesterday also I got 4 spots because for a week I had not done anything. So I was like, I'll do everything today.
Right.
2 spots went well and I'm like, okay,
Yeah.
here I come. Here I come,
Yeah.
spot 3. Bombed. It was so bad.
Oh,
They
no.
rejected me completely. It to the point where the people in the green room, they had I found out later when they had made a bet amongst themselves that when Aman comes, he's gonna blame the audience. Yeah. But luckily when I entered, I just said, nicely bombed, guys. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Respect.
Respect, dude.
Yeah.
Don't blame the audience.
Also,
Always blame the audience.
I don't know if you face this, I know don't, but like, I'm not famous, no. And like, I'm doing shows with you guys only. So it'll be like, I remember this show vividly. It was Uruj went on stage.
Yeah.
And then Sapan went on, whatever the order was, those two were there.
Yeah.
And then I think some surprise act, which I think was you, and then you went, and then I went on stage, and everybody was like, "Oh, break ka time aa gaya." Nice. And then everybody's just on their phone. I'm like, man, now to fight to get your attention. And then I said, bye, Rohan Joshi's next. And immediately, like, they were like, whoa. Like, their
Yeah.
backs became like straight and stuff. I was like, oh,
Yeah.
that is not fun.
But where was this?
Joshan, your.
It was my venue.
Yeah, I remember because I bitched about it to you outside the venue only. Ki, man, I hate doing comedy because of this shit.
It's worse when you get their attention, they recognize it, they're fully on board,
Yeah.
and then you lose it. Like
Yeah.
it's literally.
Basically, there's the flip side of it is equally embarrassing.
It's
Which is like, what?
Oh, it's
Shrija?
humiliating.
Oh, she's not as good? Oh, what? That was a scam? She just got
Yeah.
like the
Oh.
good 10 minutes of her 60-minute
Yeah.
show.
It was good editing.
Fair.
It was the editor was better. Yeah.
But I think audiences now realize that you're trying out material.
भाई ये अभी आकाश के ऑडिटोरियम शो में मैंने ओपन किया
Oh,
है.
like somebody else's show, huh?
I've gone to open. People have recognized me. They've like fully wow, and
Fair.
then tan, 10 minutes of full tan.
Wow.
Yeah.
Man.
Horrible.
Auditorium tank is very. What is the worst you've tanked opening for someone?
Abish Matthew, Goa 2018.
So immediate
I
answer.
remember this
Please
show
tell
so
the story.
well.
Please tell the
So,
story.
Abish ke saath I did like some cities. All shows went well. Goa was the last show, and I was like you. I was on such a high that nothing can fucking touch me, dude. I went on like a beach shirt, like it's a flamingo, whatever. And then I wore shorts and
Yeah.
like flip flops.
You went on
Yeah.
shorts in an auditorium.
Because I was like, it's fucking Goa, dude. I'm gonna be like, I wore sunglasses.
Oh, man,
Oh,
they
God.
hated you the moment you stepped
Oh,
on.
they no laughs. Okay. And the thing is, like when you're wearing sunglasses and there's bright light on you, you can't see
Yeah.
the audience. So I was like, they were talking about how it's not sold really well. So itne log honge nahi. That's why people are not laughing. So it is swags in the glass. It was full. Like in 200 seater, it must have been 195. It was not,
Wow.
the last 5 did not sell well,
Yeah.
and that's what they were talking about.
Yeah.
I was like, oh my god.
Yeah.
I've been bombing in front of 200 people. And
Yeah.
then Abish went on, I was like, whoa.
That's worse to see a person with sunglasses take it off, check, and really care.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like my eyes went so wide कि तुम sunglasses के ऊपर देख सकते थे. Like,
Yeah. And this was like through and through. 10 minutes.
through and through.
Nothing. No redemption. No
Yeah.
save line.
I think they hated Abish for 10 minutes. That's how much they hated me that it carried over. Man, that
Oh,
was
shit.
oof.
Man,
That was my worst opening.
that's tough. And
Aman-
yours was on Saturday, on Friday.
The latest one.
Yeah.
But first, you have to tell your nervous tick also. I think I know what your nervous
Of
tick
course,
is. but
please
you-
tell. No, I think you are the better person to tell because you.
But what do you think your nervous tick is?
It's. I think it's either blinking, which I'm doing in general on podcasts, also blinking very fast and like touching my face.
It's this midway through his set. If he's like if one line has not worked or if he's like remembering, he'll just like hold his hair, look up. Yeah. So as I was saying, and then you just see like this
Yeah.
ball of fury forming inside of his chest, which will come out any second
Yeah.
if one laugh doesn't come. And then if one laugh comes, he will reject it. He will
Yeah.
reject.
Then basically, but I'm trying to change. I'm
Yeah.
trying to be better.
I know,
because
but-
I don't. I used to have more. Like I'm trying to treat the audience not as an antagonist anymore. You know? Because that was my thing. My thing was ki, I need to tell them this. Okay, these people will have some resistance, but my point stands. That is the attitude I brought from line 1. Okay, but now I'm becoming more.
Some days you really go defensive on stage because either you're carrying like your previous bomb
Yeah.
or like it's just like you're so defensive, just like तुम्हें तो नहीं पसंद आने वाला है या क्योंकि एक तो ठीक है
What is your nervous tick? This?
ये तो मेरे पसीना है
Oh.
ये मेरा पसीना पोंछना है my nervous tick
I think you get like your ego goes on 11. You start to warm कि आप लोगों को पता नहीं है.
हाँ.
And then it goes back to -1. Sorry. And then it keeps doing that very often.
Oh, wow,
I have noticed.
I did not
But I think with her, it's the eye movement also. Like, she just, क्या हो गया? You know, you get what I'm saying? What she's doing with the eyes. क्या तुम लोग को अच्छा नहीं लगा क्या guys?
Yeah.
शाद को ये अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है क्योंकि शाद को लगता है ये मैंने उससे कॉपी किया हुआ
जो
है
तूने किया है, which you have admitted to.
not admitted
You have admitted to
I
it.
have copied other things
If my
from you.
WhatsApp chats were not gotten deleted, I would have showed you that message.
मैंने और
now.
चीजें कॉपी की है तुझसे बट ये वाला मैं तुझे बोला
अमन भी
मैं
पहले
अपना
मेरा
copy
fiancé था.
Okay, guys, this is serious allegations over here. Yeah.
हाँ थोड़ा मेरा और शाद का चलता रहता मैं कॉपी करती थी
Yeah. this used to be a full
You see
conversation.
how she has zero nervous tics right now?
Yeah.
But this is an entire बीच में जब मैं और शाद बहुत हैंग आउट कर रहे थे
Yeah.
तो कभी कभी हमें सेम थॉट्स आ जाते थे
Yeah.
Man.
बट ये वाला जो मेरा टिक है
Hmm.
वो जब हम साथ में राइट कर रहे थे किसी प्रोजेक्ट पे तब मेरा थोड़ा सा और हो गया बट पहले भी था
Yeah, worst you ever bombed? Okay,
वर्स्ट यू एवर
thank you.
वर्स्ट यू एवर बॉम्ब no one
Worst I've ever bombed is opening for Sumit Anand. This is
Okay.
very, very early on. I think this was probably first, second time I got the chance to open for anyone. It was at Cuckoo Club, which is not there anymore. But I went up. I was supposed to do, I think, 10. I did 15.
oh
And I was not doing well by 13. By 30, I was said everything I know at this point.
Man.
Everything that I've ever conceived of as funny is out of my mouth. It's 13 minutes.
Oh, dude.
I look at
I can
Sumit.
feel it.
Sumit is right there, okay? And my understanding was I have to give him a warm room. I have
Yeah.
to. Even if it
It's
takes
not-
1 hour.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So I just look at him and he's like, Acha niche, niche acha. And that's when I decided I have one last bit. And that time, I am not proud of this. That time, I had a jingle
oh god no
for abortion.
Oh my God. What was it?
I was like, guys, why? It was the dumbest bit, right? It was like, why is abortion not normalized, guys? Like, it's so easy. Like, it's her body. Let her do whatever. Come on, guys. Let's normalize abortion right now. When I say A, you say abortion.
abortion
Oh, man.
he keeps chanting it
Yeah.
till the audience catches on.
Pop that pill, flush
Flush
that fetus.
Abortion.
And guess what? They didn't chant.
This is the perfect example of when you're doing something very cringe, you don't realize it, but as a third person, you're like, what the fuck?
Yeah.
is it doing?
I feel I like to think that I have not gotten lower than that ever on this stage.
I think इसका कोई बहुत इसके पीछे का कोई noble thought भी नहीं था जो ये अभी बोल रहा है कि allow her or something. No, it was.
Yeah.
I can't even
Give me
remember.
some
should be
benefit of
legal.
doubt.
Sorry. Abortion
Yeah.
should be legal. ऐसा
Yeah.
कुछ हुआ
Dude,
था.
that sounds painful.
And
I
I
can
think-
feel it.
And it was twice as dumb now because abortion is legal.
Yeah.
My whole premise is wrong.
Maybe that's why they didn't chant. They were like, we've chanted this already. That's
Yeah.
why we're here.
Yeah.
Oh,
So
God.
yeah, that's the worst
Yeah.
bombing story.
मेरे में था worst bomb क्या latest bomb में I walked onto stage. People have recognized me like I've
Nice.
said.
Yeah.
So and मैं एक ऐसे swag में अपना mic stand वगैरह side करूँ. I really take my time with that. उतने में 3 हेकल आ गए मुझे. And someone's just like good night.
Man, that's
It's not that funny,
It's
okay?
a funny
It's
haircut.
not that
It's
funny.
a funny haircut, actually.
उसके बाद 2-3 और आए and then I just completely lost the plot. I just
2
lost
more
it.
good night, sweet dreams.
नहीं गुड नाइट
शौक है।
जल्दी बोलना और ये सब बोल दिया उन्होंने और
Oh
फिर
God.
ये
What was
That's
it?
rough, yeah.
Corporate college?
this is Akash's show. Akash's
Oh.
auditorium show.
But
That's
you
it.
have to tell something you must have said to address. What did you say?
ऐसा कुछ उसने अरे कुछ नहीं यार मैं बकवास कर दी यार. It was horrible. Oh God, it was pathetic. It was just pathetic. किसी ने बोला जल्दी बोलो काम है और समझे मैं तुझे क्या काम हो सकता है गंदा. And then-
अगर काम होता तो शो पे थोड़ी ना आता तू.
And then someone 2-3 बार जब आया उसे प्लीज मैं मुझे हेकल मत करो.
You said that? No.
Yes.
प्लीज गाइस मुझे हेकल मत करो मैं रो दूंगी प्लीज. मैंने ये बोला. This is how I started.
Oh,
And then
God.
all my set I'm just being this arrogant prick.
Yeah, that's the whole because she's
Yeah.
now there to do some.
Yeah, then you
Very-
can't be like, man, actually, it can work.
No, man.
I
If you-
tried to
that
frame
power
it in a
equation.
way that it is like some hey guys मुझे हेकल मत करो मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता फिर मैं रो वो देती हूँ.
That's funny. And then if you went into like your, guys, मुझे लगता है मैं princess. It would have worked.
Guys
I
please
feel.
मान लो मेरी बात में who
Yeah.
princess please.
Yeah, but if
Yeah.
you're asking people to not heckle you, that is very princess treatment.
अरे कुछ नहीं इसके ये बोलने के बाद आपने देखा है बॉम्बे में कितने रोड्स डेवलप
I forgot your opening Andheri bits.
Yeah.
did nothing to change nothing just went by oh god.
Is there any bit right now that you are excited about that you really want to like hit the mic for? That you
Yeah, I
बता मुझे
wrote-
जरा
Yeah, I wrote one joke yesterday which I'm excited about building, which is
Okay.
that whenever I tell people that I'm from Delhi, they're always surprised कि you don't seem like from Delhi. वहाँ के लोग तो ऐसे कितना मारते हैं लोगों को. हम लोग कुछ लोग पिटते भी हैं. Which is they're just punching the air. No.
Yeah.
That's me.
hilarious too
Yeah.
good.
So yeah, it'll be the exact same wording you see 6 months from now in a YouTube video. That's what I mean by working on it. I
Yeah.
wrote it once and that's
yeah, but
it.
that's a good solid bit.
Yeah.
It'll become something. But yeah, that you need that one bit that makes you want to go also. I
Yeah.
think that
Yeah,
is more than the monsoon. Like the monsoon, my bit has to be better than socks getting wet.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
So I think that one is
Yeah.
worth it.
Should be
You
worth
have
it.
anything that you are excited about right now?
मेरा न्यू बिट बताओ
Hey, but have you started recording though?
Yeah. It's 45 minutes into
Shit. Your new bit, sorry.
मेरा न्यू बिट है मेरे वही बॉम्बे रोड्स वाले उसमें एंडलेस जो है आकाश के नेक्स्ट ऑडिटोरियम शो में ट्राई करूंगी है बेसिकली मैं बहुत टाइम से एक प्रेमिस ट्राई करने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ कि बॉम्बे में आसमान नहीं दिखता है
That's not true.
अरे यार
अच्छा.
नहीं दिखता है ना बहुत
Okay.
बड़ी बड़ी बिल्डिंग है नीचे से नहीं दिखता है अभी हम
हाँ.
सेकंड फ्लोर पे इसलिए हमें दिख रहा है
Right.
Right.
तो मैं इसके ऊपर प्रेमिस लग रही हूँ कि अंधेरी में आसमान नहीं दिखता है तो मुझे तो लगता है कि अंधेरी के बच्चों को बहुत जल्द वो लोग साउथ बॉम्बे आएंगे तो वो शॉक ही हो जाएंगे कि अरे ये ऊपर ब्लू फ्लाईओवर कहाँ जाता है I have to word it
You
better
have to work on this a lot, I think.
Maybe Akash के next to next show में you should try.
Yeah.
Instead of the next one.
there are 2-3 versions of this I've written
Oh.
Okay.
Highway, walkway.
अंधेरी में
Skywalk.
कि बच्चों को बहुत जल्द तो आसमान भी फ्लाईओवर ही लगने लगे यार वो ऐसे बोलेंगे कि अरे पापा ये ब्लू फ्लाईओवर कहाँ जाता है
She just said the same thing.
Yeah,
again.
you said the.
She didn't change anything.
You just added Papa. That's all you added.
मेरी
Yeah.
मैंने फ्लाई वो ब्लू आसमान की लोकेशन बदल दी
Yeah, but it's okay. A bit has to become worse before it gets
Yeah.
better.
it's on its fourth draft right now
This is not. If you're counting these as two.
What is your bit?
Yeah, thank you for asking again. But this one is that a friend recently told that she got unceremoniously fired from her office.
Hmm.
It was very embarrassing for her. I was like, I think it would be way more embarrassing if they threw a big ceremony.
That's funny.
If they called your whole office team,
That's funny.
called up the director,
Yeah.
bought an indoor plant, then gave it to you like, Kal se mat aa."
The queen is there.
And we are going for an offsite now with all this money
Yeah.
we are saving from.
That's funny. That's very good.
Yeah.
Yeah, 2 out of 3 is not bad.
मैं एक सेकेंड मेरे पास एक दूसरा है दूसरा बताऊं मैं एक
नहीं.
लास्ट बता
We're going to do the final section of the podcast now.
Oh,
ठीक
there's
है,
a
no
nice
problem.
section.
अब मेरे को बताऊंगी अब मैं
Say,
आएगा ना तब बताऊंगी
Say na.
मेरे पेरेंट्स जो है मेरे पेरेंट्स के साथ में रहती हूँ तो एट दिस पॉइंट आई हैव स्टॉप लिसनिंग लाइक वो मेरे से पूरे टाइम कुछ कुछ मुझे इंस्ट्रक्ट देते रहते हैं तो ना आई जस्ट लिसन टू माय पेरेंट्स लाइक अ पॉडकास्ट
Hmm.
Nice.
व्हाट
2 out of 4 is still okay, Wale.
50% hit.
Yeah,
What are you
that's pretty
saying?
good.
रुको तुम साले मेरा जोक बैंक वहाँ है इसलिए मैं बता नहीं पा रही तुम लोग को और
This was a lot of fun because we are recording at Backspace Toady Mill, which is a brand new comedy club in Mumbai. It is at Lower Parel Toady Mill, and like, please come here because we are really excited about this new room. It's a big room. The sound is great. The green room is huge. They're planning to put a Xbox here. So Backspace Toady Mill. it's already live. You can go and buy tickets on Book My Show, and we'll have fun.
Yes.
Yeah. Last thing that I wanted to talk to you guys about, last two things, was your tour of Calcutta.
Oh yeah, tour. That two shows.
Yeah, two shows. So this is like
shows set up
like one of you start the story, because I remember this being a lot of fun.
Please,
Like,
please.
Yeah. Firstly, touring way more fun and way more loss making when you do it with someone else.
Yeah.
But way more fun. Totally trumps touring alone. But basically, this was set up in Kolkata by Saurabh Ghosh, who was running Top Cat Retired Comedy Club there. This was the first show there or second?
Yeah, like first few shows में से.
Yeah, this was the second show
Second
there.
show, yeah.
And they had got this like crazy venue जिनके ऐसे बिल्डिंग के बाहर बड़ा सा स्क्रीन था और उसने हमारे 5 दिन के शोज उधर बुक कर दिए
Yeah.
like 5
Yeah.
दिन जिसमें वो मंडे के 4 बजे ओपन माइक रखता था ओपन एयर no
Yeah.
one used to anyway.
This club is not there anymore, right? You shut it down.
No, it's still
It's
there.
there.
It's there?
It's not
Right.
as regularly run.
Okay.
It's
I
run
wouldn't
by
know. I don't do it.
Saurabh Ghosh doesn't run. You have toured before, but basically, उसमें our first show he's booked a flight in for Thursday. Our first show is supposed to be on Thursday, and it's cancelled. तो उन्होंने उस बड़े से स्क्रीन पर ऐसे हम दोनों का चेहरा लगा एंड इट्स क्वाइट बिग वो ऐसे फ्लाईओवर वगैरह से विजिबल है हमारा चेहरा डाल के कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन शादन श्रीजा फॉर कॉजिंग टॉप कैट रिटायर्ड कॉमेडी क्लब्स फर्स्ट कैंसिल्ड शो
that is
Yeah.
the milestone, yaar. You have to start somewhere.
Yeah, it's like we've come from the airport directly there and
Yeah.
it's just-
You think it's a big prank?
it's
Yeah.
just now day has opened up. We are just chilling there the first day.
And both of you have never been to Kolkata before.
No, I've been.
I had never been.
You had
This
never.
is my first one.
Okay.
But the shows are called also very like that, very weird names, which I don't know.
What were the
Maybe we
names?
can beep them out
But
later.
why
We
beep them
will
out?
not beep anything.
We had two shows which were proper shows. First show Saturday was called Shrija and Shraddha are hooking up. Then second show was called Shrija and Shraddha breaking up. ऐसे कुछ नाम था ना उसका. I think यही exact
Yes,
था.
yes.
Yeah.
Are hooking up in Kolkata, breaking up in
Yeah, in Kolkata.
Yeah.
That sells tickets, guys. You
It's-
should have done that on
it's-
Tuesday also.
And then the shows went well only. I remember them going well. Uske baad we had one open mic which was there, which you please.
Oh,
Okay, so I'll just tell the first part of the story. So we were told कि एक open mic है. It's 20 minutes from where we're staying. We're used to Mumbai 20 minutes, which is like 3-4 kilometers. This is 20 minutes in fucking Kolkata. So we were like outskirts एकदम
Yeah.
greater Kolkata, whatever, दूर एकदम.
Right.
And this is after we've had a great show. Our
Yeah.
show is finally one show sold out. We did.
Yeah.
वो बहुत अच्छा गया बहुत ही हम खुश है कि हमने कोलकाता में बेच लिया हम बहुत खुश है एंड देन देयर लाइक अब एक ओपन माइक करते हैं पिछली बार मानिक मना आए थे उन्होंने भी ओपन माइक किया था ये आपको
Yeah.
करना चाहिए
Yeah.
मैं लाइक yeah
The road doesn't go till the venue, by the way.
Yeah.
We had to get off and like अब हमें थोड़ा चल के जाना है. Like you know, parents would tell stories about
Yeah,
going
yeah.
to school कि हमें ऐसे वैसे जाना पड़ता
Yeah.
था.
Yeah.
वैसे टाइप का and we go and it's the shadiest hookah bar you have seen. Well, it was a hookah bar only. No?
it was like a biker dhaba
Oh.
Ah.
but like in the middle of a city like it's
It wasn't in the middle. It was outskirts
it's
of the
an
city
outskirts
only.
only, and it's like all it पता नहीं I've never understood the demographic only
Yeah.
of that show जो मुझे and they don't know that the show is supposed to happen there
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Classic
Yeah.
open mic setting.
yeah so they've just gone up and started talking और
Nice.
उस बीच में हमें जाना है
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was like we felt threatened for our lives, kind of a venue. It was
Yeah.
very shady. Like I'm not exaggerating. थोड़ा
Yeah.
scary तो था.
Where you're already scared and then you are going up and offering opinions.
Yeah. But
Which no one ever does.
no one wants
Yeah.
to hear
Yeah.
God
but
Yeah.
then we were like कि fuck it हम उस हॉस्टल में नहीं रहेंगे, and then we both booked a room each in
Yeah.
Taj
ITC.
ITC,
Wow.
which
ITC
was
Royal Bengal.
but luckily it was pandemic times, so the rates were cheaper.
very
Yeah.
cheap, very
Her
cheap.
room was much better than my room,
Yeah.
sadly.
Yeah.
अरे मेरा में view नहीं था sadly, but ठीक है whatever.
Yeah.
But that was the highlight of the trip.
और
मुझे
इससे
dessert
तो
बहुत
अर्ली
अच्छा था।
मॉर्निंग फ्लाइट थी, मेरी तो लाइक लेट थी, तो मैं तो फुल एंजॉय की मारा उसमें.
Okay, guys.
But
I think
hello,
Amay Deshpande is here.
Welcome.
Which means when a new person comes into the room, that means we are going to cut to the next episode.
Next episode,
Let's
yeah.
do a quick sign off to this one, where you can also sign off with this.
That's how new guests come on this podcast, whoever enters.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Amay doesn't know he was supposed to be part of the podcast.
So that was episode 5 of Fluff. Once again, thank you so much to Shad for taking up the time for this. Shriya Chaturvedi, who is here despite her voice not working. And see you in the next episode with Amay Deshpande and these two also.
Ooh.
Like, share, subscribe, leave a comment,
Subscribe.
DM me.
Match something.
Yeah.